Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to hide all of your pins on Pinterest. If you're feeling overwhelmed by a cluttered all pins board, or you just want a cleaner look for your profile, this is the tutorial for you. We'll make that all pins board invisible to both you and anyone visiting your profile. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, look for the Saved section. It's usually at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Saved, and then tap on your profile icon to access your profile. Now that you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile option. It might be represented by an icon, or it could be a text link. Tap on it to enter the profile editing mode. In the profile settings, you'll find an option labeled Show All Pins. It's likely a toggle switch that's currently turned on. Simply tap the toggle to disable it. This will hide your All Pins board from public view. After you've disabled the Show All Pins option, you might need to refresh your profile to see the changes. To do this, navigate away from your profile and then back to it. You may need to do this a couple of times. Don't stress if it doesn't disappear immediately. It can take a few moments, and that's it. The All Pins board should now be hidden from your Pinterest profile. This is a simple trick to declutter your Pinterest and present a more organized and curated collection of your saved pins. If you change your mind and want to make your All Pins board visible again, just follow these steps and toggle the Show All Pins option back on. While hiding your All Pins board can help clean up your profile's appearance, remember that you can also organize your pins into specific boards. This allows you to categorize your saved content and make it easier for others to discover your ideas. You can also delete pins individually or in groups if there are pins you no longer want. To delete a single pin, click on the three dots, then Edit Pin, and then Delete. To delete multiple pins, go to Saved, select the board, click on the pins you want to delete, and then click the trash icon. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Hiding your All Pins board is a quick and easy way to customize your Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!